Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Kids, last session, what we saw? Learn Gita Sloka 10.8. Few of your kids have sent the audio. Most of you have not done it. So those who have not recited, you can send the audio along with the sloka we are going to learn today. So both the slokas together, you can send it. And we saw the rhymes, Are You Sleeping? And very nicely, few of the kids have shared it. So also we saw about Lord Jagannath. And shall we start with the quiz as usual? Are you ready, kids?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. So let us
Yes,
go into the quiz.
Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
ঠিক আছে রাখো দেখো কি বলছে নাকি দৌড় জিজ্ঞেস করে আজমান কি
Mataji, we didn't got.
Yes, I'll give you the link in the chat box. You can just click it and join the link. Okay.
কি হচ্ছে কিছু করছে কি হচ্ছে
the link.
Mataji, did you send the link? Mataji.
Yes, yes. I'm just sending the link. 1 minute.
Please, mommy, I'm like that. Mataji, we didn't got. मम्मी देखो ना 90 ना क्लास
कर दिया ना
नहीं किया मम्मी
खुद तो बंद नहीं होगा तुम तो हुआ होगा जरूर
Few minutes, just few minutes. I'll just give the link. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, I'll just give the link now. Few minutes. Meanwhile, anybody wants to recite or sing the sloka, you can do it. Hare Krishna.
देहिनोऽस्मिन् यथा देहे कौमारं यौवनं जरा तथा
Yes, Riyansh, louder please.
What, Mataji?
You can recite a sloka.
पत्रं पुष्पं फलं तोयं यो मे भक्त्याप्तयच्छते तदहं भक्तोपहृतम् अश्नामि प्रयतात्मनः. Mataji, I can sing the Ram. Aham sarvasya prabhu matha sarvam prabhu can I sing the Ram? Iti matva
Krishna.
imam.
Yes, Pratyusha.
Mataji, I can sing the Ram.
Yes, Pratyusha, you can recite the sloka.
No, Mataji, I'm telling about the rhyme.
Okay, you can sing the rhyme.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Little Krishna, morning bells are ringing, devotees are singing, Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Little Krishna, morning bells are ringing, devotees are singing, Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
Hands like this. Not now. Janita wants.
Are you shrinking? Are you? Can I see, ma'am?
Okay, now you can tell. Yatra Yogeshwara.
Yes, anyone else? Rudra.
Mataji, Janita want to sing.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Little Krishna, morning bells are ring. Devotees are saying, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. What about the teachers? Help you out. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Little Krishna, morning bells are ringing, devotees are singing, Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.
That's why I don't
Hare
get
Krishna.
the quiz.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji.
Kids, now I have
Hare
sent the
Krishna.
link. Just see whether you are able to see it in the chat box.
Yes, Mataji, I can see it.
Yes, if you are able to click it, we can join the quiz. Yes, we can
Hare
start the
Krishna,
quiz.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Janita want to say a sloka. Shall we say a sloka? I think they cannot hear us. That's fine. Let's listen.
Yes, are you able to join?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
You can join with us. Janita.
I have sent a second link. You can join in that link. 473792. The link is 473792. Please use that link. You can click the second link. Yes, Yashika has joined.
Wait. Don't do that. Screen in the knock.
Yes, kids, kindly use the second link to join.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
You are closing
Nandini, Riyansh, Freya, Sanitya, Janita, Anvika, Yashika, Arman have joined. Others also please join so that we can start the quiz.
Janita.
Yeah.
Pratyusha has joined.
Mataji, Sanit want to chant Gayatri Mantra.
Yes, 12 kids have joined. Let us wait for 2 more minutes to join.
Want to chant Gayatri Mantra, Mataji.
No,
Anita,
you leave your tissue. It's about.
start once everyone joined. Wait, wait.
Sanit,
What is related to Krishna?
chant mantra, Mataji.
Yashika, Arman, Priya.
Mataji, the quiz is not started.
Who is there?
The questions are not coming. Mataji,
Lakshya, please, it's okay. We don't want issue.
Yes, anybody having problem joining the link?
Mataji, the questions are not coming.
Yes, Pratyusha.
Mataji, the questions are not coming.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji, I'm saying the questions are not coming.
My God, क्या we just started.
No, don't say bad things.
Okay, 15 kids have joined. Let us start the quiz.
Sit properly, Sanit.
यार एक तरफ नहीं चल रहा है, एक तरफ से नहीं.
Let us wait for a few more minutes at least. Only 50% of you have joined.
You take my
Some
head.
issues there with the system.
Where is the Lakshya?
Just give me 2 minutes.
If you don't put them properly, they will get entangled.
We'll call out your name.
No.
No. Wow, wow.
No, Sanit.
बंद कर दो बेटा, बंद कर दो आपको. लक्ष्य शॉर्ट्स बंद. व्हाट इज बॉल?
Hare Krishna.
अरे ये तो रखा है वो, ये रहा.
Mataji, the questions are not coming still. Ma'am, questions are not coming. Mummy, एक cartoon. खत्म हो गया वाला, कन्हैया वाला खत्म हो गया, कन्हैया क्लास खत्म हो गया। एक बार हाँ बोलो, कन्हैया क्लास खत्म हो गया, कन्हैया क्लास खत्म हो गया, बोलना ना एक बार।
नहीं,
नहीं मम्मी वो कन्हैया क्लास ऑनलाइन करना। माताजी quizzes. मैम
Hare Krishna. Yes. Were you able to do the quiz properly? There was some issue in the system.
Yes ma'am.
Yes. So I think a few of you have did it and few of you have not joined. Okay. Okay. So let us go into the session. Hare Krishna. Are you able to hear me?
Yes,
Hare
Mataji.
Yes Mataji.
Sorry, kids, there was an issue with the system. I'm not able to do it properly. Okay, we'll go into the session. We'll see the next slide. So last session we saw Gita Sloka, rhymes and the story about Jagannath, and we have completed the quiz now. Hare Krishna. Are you able to hear me, kids?
Yes Mataji. Yes Mataji. Yes Mataji.
Okay. So today we are going to see a story followed by the next sloka and rhymes as usual. Okay. So let us go into a story. Yes. The story which we are going to see today is The Cave That Talked. It is from This is a story from Panchatantra. Panchatantra is a collection of old Indian fables, and in this Panchatantra stories there will be animal characters which will speak. So this is believed to be written by a person called Vishnu Sharma, and he used these stories to teach princes about the values of human life. So let us see the story, Cave That Talked. So once upon a time, in a forest, there was a lion. Lion was the king of the forest, and it was getting very old. And it was no longer strong enough to hunt its prey. So lion usually what it does, it runs and hunts the animals. So since this lion has become very old, it was not able to run very fast. So see, it is walking very slowly and it was very hungry. So this was going in search of something to eat. So when it was walking like this, very tired, it came across a cave. So what did the lion think? It says, I don't know how long I have to go around for my food. It was very tired. It was not able to walk. So seeing the cave, it thought, okay, I shall go into the cave. Maybe in this cave, I can find some prey. So let me check out. The lion thought that somebody would be inside the cave so that it can have its lunch. So thinking like this, the lion went into the cave. But there was no one in the cave. The lion looked around, but he can't find anyone. So he was very tired. So he thought, I will take some rest. Anyhow, somebody will come into the cave. See, what do animals do? They stay either in small bushes or in a tree or in a cave. So this cave, the lion thought that somebody would be inside the cave. Somebody will be living in it. So anyhow, it will come back. When it comes, I can eat. So thinking that, the lion took rest inside the cave. So the lion made himself comfortable inside the cave. There is no one here, but this is a good place for hiding. I shall sit here and wait for someone to come. So the lion was thinking. So it was very tired, no? So it thought, I cannot go out again and run for to search my prey. So it thought, I will sit here and wait for someone to come. Thinking that, the lion stayed inside the cave. If some animal comes, I will have it for my full satisfaction sitting in this cave itself. So thinking like this, the lion was very hungry and waiting for somebody to come. And what happened? A fox used to live in this cave and he was returning back to the cave. So you know, no, the fox, usually the fox is very clever. Like you kids, the fox is very, very clever. It thinks very much. So when it came near the cave, it thought something is different. It was able to smell that somebody has entered the cave because it saw the footprints of the lion. So it knew that somebody has gone inside. It had a doubt. It was not sure, but the fox thought that somebody is entered and someone is in the cave. So the fox thought of a plan. See, here is the footsteps, no, the lion. So the fox knew that somebody has gone in, but it has not come back. So it wanted to make sure whether anything is there. So suddenly the fox saw the footmarks of the lion all pointing towards the cave. So the footmarks were only towards the cave. There was no returning back. So the fox had a doubt. Maybe there is someone inside the cave. I have to make sure that anyone is there or not. Based on that only, I can go in or not. So what did the fox do? It thought of a plan. It is very clever. So it thought of a plan. These are the footmarks of the lion. Thank God I spotted it. Before going inside, I will have to confirm whether the lion is inside or not. So it wanted to confirm. How to confirm? It was thinking. So what did it do? The fox spoke as if the cave will speak, and now the cave is not speaking. What did the fox say? Oh, my dear cave, what is wrong with you? Every day you welcome me so heartily. But today, why you are so quiet? Now listen, if you will not call me, then I will go to some other place. See, the fox speaking to the cave. Whether the cave speaks? No, the cave never speaks, but the fox is making a plan to check whether the lion is inside. So the fox is saying, cave, why you are silent today? You are not speaking, like that the fox is saying. Now the lion is inside, no? This lion, it hears what the fox says. The lion is thinking, what does this fox say? How will the cave speak? It's thinking. But what is it thinking? This cave can talk, but it is silent today because it is afraid of me. So, but if the cave will not reply, then the fox will go off. So the lion thinks, oh, this cave usually speaks, I think. But now since I am inside, this cave is not speaking. So let me speak like the cave. Like this, the lion is thinking. Lion is not so clever like the fox, no? Fox is very clever, but lion is not so clever. So the lion thinks the fox is expecting the cave to speak. So what does the lion do? The lion says, my dear fox, please come inside and take rest. You must be very tired. The lion speaks as if the cave is speaking. My dear fox, please come inside and take rest. You must be very tired. So what happens? Now the fox is confirmed that there is a lion inside. So it says, oh, I have to get away from this place as quick as possible. There is a lion inside. Saying this, the fox ran away from the place. See how clever the fox is. Now the lion, it waited and waited. Nobody came. Then it came out and saw that the fox has ran away. So the clever fox escaped from the foolish lion. The lion could have kept quiet. No, the lion knows that the cave does not speak. He should have kept quiet. But hearing the words of the fox, it thought that the cave would speak. Now that the cave is not speaking, so he thought, I will speak and let the fox come in. But when he spoke, the fox confirmed that there's a lion inside and it ran off. So thus the fox escaped from the lion. So this is the story. What is the moral of the story? You have to be clever like the fox. You must always think before you do any work. So this will save you from difficulties. One who thinks wisely and acts accordingly is really wise. So before you do anything, you have to act. Whether it is good or anything negative is there, anything bad will happen. You have to think twice and you have to act. So that is the moral of this story. Okay, kids, did you enjoy the story?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Yes. So
Yes,
what did you learn?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes,
Mataji.
Yes,
Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Can anybody tell me what you learned from the story? What did you like about the story?
That the fox was very clever.
Can you be louder?
That the fox was
Yes.
clever.
Fox was
Yes, who would like to speak?
Mataji, that
Janita wants to speak.
Yeah, Janita, speak.
Janita, yes.
Yes.
What did you like?
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
That the fox is very clever.
Yes.
कि कभी भी अगर कोई काम करना हो तो फिर उसे सोच समझ कर करना हो.
Hare Krishna. Saisha, you want to say something?
No.
No. Yes. Anybody
Say
else?
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Say think
What's
wise
this?
Think wise.
before acting.
Yes, think twice before you do anything. Very good. Think twice before you do anything. Yes, so we should not underestimate anyone, and over smartness is also harmful. See, the lion was trying to be very smart. He thought to speak like a lion, speak like the cave. So that is also not good. So this is the learnings from the story. Okay. So shall we go into the next slide?
Ali, your
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Last session we saw this. Chatur sloka, first sloka we saw. Anyone wants to recite? Only 1 or 2 kids have sent the sloka. Pratyuksha.
Aham sarvasya prabhu prabhu iti matva aham sarvasya prabhu mattah sarvam pravartate iti matva bhajante mam buddha bhavasma ninvita.
Buddha Bhava Samanvita. Very good. Sanidhya, very nicely recited.
सर्वस्य प्रभुो मत्ता सर्वं पर्वतते इति मत्वा भजन्ते मां बुद्धा भाव समिवता. हरे कृष्ण.
Yashika. Very nice. Anyone else?
सर्वस्य प्रभुो मत्ता सर्वं प्रभुते इति मत्वा भजन्ते मां बुद्धा.
अहं सर्वस्य प्रभवो मथा सर्वान् पर्वते इति मत्वा भजने मां भजवा.
माताजी.
Yes.
माताजी.
Yes, who wants to recite next?
Mataji, in my school there was a Sanskrit subject.
Yes, Akansha.
Mataji.
Akansha, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Priyajali.
Yes, Mataji. Aham sarvasya prabhavo matta aham sarvasya prabhavo bhajante bhava samanvita.
Very good. Akansha, very good. See,
Mataji.
one time we will just yes, anybody else?
Mataji.
Yes.
Ma'am, Mataji, in my school there was a Sanskrit subject.
Okay, Sanskrit subject is there. Very good. So you are very lucky to learn Sanskrit in this age.
Yes.
So learn it very nicely, okay? It gives enhances your mind capacity. You will become more intelligent once you read the Sanskrit verses. So one time we will rehearse it, and I request all the kids to recite and send the audio. Aham sarvasya prabhavo matta sarvam pravartate iti matva bhajante mam buddha bhava samanvita. Aham sarvasya prabhavo, meaning I am the sources of all spiritual and material worlds. Matta sarvam pravartate, everything emanates from me. Iti matva bhajante mam, the wise who know perfectly this. Buddha bhava samanvita, engaged in devotional service and worship me with all their hearts. So this is the meaning of the sloka. So Krishna says that he is the source of everything and everything emanates from him. And the wise person who knows this engages in his devotional service and worships him with lot of love. Love you kids are doing now, no? You're reciting it very happily. That is what Krishna says. So I request all the kids to recite this and send the audio or video to our WhatsApp number. Okay. So shall we go on to the next sloka today?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
We'll go to the next sloka.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Mataji.
So the next sloka.
Yes,
Please listen
Mataji.
carefully once, then
Yes,
then you can
Mataji.
recite.
Mataji.
First you listen to me, then after that you can recite. I will first say word by word, then the entire thing. After that you can repeat.
Look at her. Listen.
Machitta, madgata, prana, bodhayanta, parasparam,
Parasparam.
katayantas cha mam nityam, tushyanti cha ramanti cha. Machitta matgat prana, bodhayanta parasparam, katayantas cha mam nityam, tushyanti cha ramanti cha. Translation. The thoughts of my pure devotees dwell in me. Their lives are fully devoted to my service, and they derive great satisfaction and bliss from always enlightening one another and conversing about me. So, shall we recite word by word?
Yes, Mataji. Yes,
I
Mataji.
will say one time, you have to repeat it. Machita,
Machita.
Machita, Pranam,
Madgata Pranam.
Bodhayanta,
Bodhayanta.
Parasparam,
Parasparam.
Kathayantas,
Kathayantas.
Shamam,
Tamam.
Nityam,
Nityam.
Shyanti cha, Ramanti cha.
Ramanti.
Once again, Machita,
Machita.
Matagata Prana,
Madhugata Pranam. Parasparam.
Parasparam, Mam Nityam,
Yanti.
Shyanti cha, Ramanti cha. Shall we sing it? Shall we sing it line by line?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Machita,
Yes,
Matagata
Mataji.
Prana,
Which chapter? Machita.
two times. Machita Matagat Prana,
Machita. Madhugata Prana.
Bodhayanta Parasparam,
Bodhayanta Parasparam.
Bodhayanta Parasparam,
Bodhayanta Parasparam.
Kathayantascha Mam Nityam,
Kanthayasta Mam Nityam.
Kathayantascha Mam Nityam,
Kathayanta Mam Nityam.
Tushyanti cha Ramanti cha.
Susanti cha Ramanti cha.
Machita Matagata Prana,
Manchita Madhugata Prana.
Bodhayanta Parasparam,
Bodhayanta Parasparam.
Kathayantascha Mam Nityam,
Kanthayasta Mam Nityam.
Tushyanti cha Ramanti cha.
Susanti cha Ramanti cha.
Shall we recite it together?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Matagata
Yes,
Prana,
Mataji.
Kathayantascha Parasparam, Kathayantascha Mam Nityam, Tushyanti cha Ramanti cha. Hari Bol, Jai Krishna. So the translation is, the thoughts of my pure devotees dwell in me. Their lives are fully devoted to my service, and they derive great satisfaction and bliss from always enlightening one another and conversing about me. What does it mean? These are pure devotees. She is cooking and she is thinking about Krishna. And this Prabhuji is polishing and he is thinking about Krishna. This Mataji is cleaning the floor and she is thinking about Krishna. See, this is a kid, school-going kid. He is reading the book. Even then, she is thinking about Krishna. Devotees, they are speaking between themselves about Krishna. See, the mother is playing with the baby. Even then, she is thinking about Krishna. So this is what pure devotees, their thoughts are always about Krishna. They will be always thinking about Krishna. So do you think about Krishna, kids?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
So we all think about Krishna. It is not once in a while. Every time, always we have to think about Krishna. So once we start reciting
Yes.
these slokas and we
Yes.
hear about Krishna and we
Yes.
read about Krishna, we'll be able to remember him more and more, so that it will give us more happiness. Okay. So shall we go to a small rhyme
Yes, Mataji.
based on this sloka?
Yes,
This is a
Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Can you see this? Hari Bol rhyme.
Mataji,
So,
ये ऑडियो ग्रुप में भेज सकते हैं? हरी बोल, हरी हरी बोल, हरी हरी बोल, हरी हरी बोल. Always remember Krishna, never forget. हरी हरी बोल, हरी बोल. Always remember Krishna, never forget Krishna.
1 minute. We will first see how to sing this rhyme. Hare Krishna kids.
Hari Hari Bol. Walking, remember Krishna, never forget Krishna.
Okay, shall we sing this together? Hari
Yes,
Hari
Mataji.
Bolo, Hari Hari Bol,
Yes, Hari Hari Bol.
Hari Hari Bolo, Hari
Hari Bol.
Always remember Krishna, never forget Krishna. Hari Hari Bolo.
Mataji,
Please share the lyrics.
Hari
Please share
Hari
the lyrics
Bol.
page.
Waking, remember Krishna, never forget Krishna.
Mataji.
Hari Hari Bolo, Hari Hari Bol, Hari Hari Bolo, Hari Hari Bol. Praying, remember Krishna, never forget Krishna. Hari Hari Bolo, Hari Hari Bol, Hari Hari Bolo, Hari Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna Mataji, the lyrics page is not visible.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Are you able to see now?
Yes, yes, Mataji.
Shall we sing together?
Mataji. Yes,
Yes,
Mataji.
Mataji.
Shall we start?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
So this is the tune. Hari Hari Bol. Okay, let us start.
Hari Bol.
Hari Hari Bol. Hari
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 Hari Bol.
Hari
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 Bol.
Bol.
Hari
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 Bol.
Bol.
Always remember
Remember
Krishna,
Krishna,
never forget Krishna. Hari Hari
Hari
Bol.
Bolo.
Hari
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 Bol.
Bol.
Hari
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 Bol.
Bolo.
Hari
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 Bol.
Bol.
Waking, remember Krishna, never forget Krishna. Hari
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 Hari Bolo. Hari Hari Bol.
Hari
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 Bol.
Bolo. Hari Hari Bol.
Praying, remember Krishna, never forget Krishna. Hari
Hari Hari
Bol.
Bolo.
Hari
Hari Hari Bol.
Hari
Hari Hari Bolo. Hari
Hari
Hari Bol.
Hari
Hari
Krishna, never forget
Forget
Krishna.
Krishna.
Hari
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 Bol.
Bol. Hari Hari Bol.
Hari
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 Bol. Hari Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna. So did you enjoy the rhymes? Do you like this
Yes,
rhyme?
Mataji.
Yes,
Mataji.
Yes, we come to the end of our
Yes,
session.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna. So what is this week's assignment? This week assignment is you have to recite both the slokas 10.9 and 10.8.
Sorry,
You
Nipa.
can send either the audio or video, and also you can recite the rhymes. So share your video or audio. We are uploading it in our Facebook pages so you can share the videos. Okay. Okay, kids. Shall we recite a Maha Mantra? Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Hare.
Krishna Krishna, Hare
Hare
Hare,
Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Rama,
Krishna
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Rama, Hare Rama.
Hare Krishna, kids.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Hare
Hare Krishna. Thank you, kids. We will see in the next session. So you all recite the sloka nicely. We will meet in the next session. Hare Krishna, Hare Bol.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Bol.
Hare Krishna, Hare Bol. Hare Krishna, Mataji. Mataji, the class is done. ले, हम लोग का ये क्लास खत्म. हरि बोल. हरे राम, हरे कृष्णा. हरि बोल. हरे राम. Ma'am. Mataji, the class is done. Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Shri Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.